Yo, 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 it's me, CoolManJoe, and today we're going to be making another #1 video. This is going to be randomness, probably, because, I just want to show you, like, my den items and stuff, so. All the stuff that I have, starting with my pets, which there's a pet butterfly, Arctic wolf, dog, two Arctic wolves here. Oh my god. Pet tiger, an owl, pet bunny, a reindeer, duck, frog, butterfly, kitten, turtle, hamster, puppy, snake, and a fox. Here, let me talk to him for a sec. I'm so sorry I had to talk to him. But you just saw all my animals, and they're all right here. That's all their movements. I got some new den items, actually. I got a globe, I got a cat banner, I got a bronze brick, I got a picnic table, I got a mat, I got a pillow, I got a mat, I got a pillow, I got a gem ball, which I will sell all my games, so let me just do that real quick. Okay, come on, let's get this over with. I really want to make this video, so. Okay, there we go. I have golden wattle. I got seasonal trees, which I have 5. 2 wood lawn chairs, which I'm probably gonna sell later. A fancy bouquet, a cake bake kitchen. 5 candles, sky high, which I'm gonna sell that too. Sorry. I have a welcome mat, 2 welcome mats right now. Zeos fountain, another golden wattle, a giant bubblegum machine, a pet castle, a stack of books, a porthole, map, 2 wall torches, 3 soccer balls, a plaid couch, HD TV, a paw rug, a giant crystal, swords and shield, 3 wavy bookshelves, red, white, and blue, and 3 other mats, an emu egg, beehive, a rectangular coffee table, a red sofa, another welcome mat, tall shelf, inner tube, slate floor, can't talk, a tiny shelf, and starry walls. I think that's about it. And why did I exit out of that? I'm gonna go to my small den. Yeah, this is gonna be randomness because I don't know what to do today, so. I just made a video a couple hours ago, and it was about one of my favorite members in Animal Jam, XX, really, I can't remember her name right now. XX Willow Breeze XX, awesome jammer, which if you watch the video, you'll see. This is funny. Her mom has subscribed to me. And since she was so happy, she sent me a rare Frankenstein mask. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is gonna be RaNdOmNeSs. That's about it. I don't think there's anything new. So, thank you guys for watching, and as always, it's me, CoolManJoe720. Peace.